Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a game like Plants vs. Zombies in Scratch. First, let's get our project set up. You'll want to design a cool background, maybe a lawn with 5 lanes. Then, create your plant and zombie sprites. We'll also need to establish a grid, perhaps a 5x9 layout, and set up essential variables like sun points and plant costs. This foundation is crucial for building the rest of our game. Now, let's focus on placing our plants and collecting sun. You'll program a click-and-place mechanic so players can strategically position their plant defenders on the grid. Each plant should cost a certain amount, like 25 sun points. We also need sun to fall from the sky. These sun sprites will appear randomly. When a player clicks on a sun, they'll collect between 10 and 25 sun points, which is essential for buying more plants. Next up, the zombie invasion and plant counterattacks. Your zombies will march steadily from the right side of the screen towards the left. We'll set up collision detection so that when a zombie gets close to a plant, the plant starts attacking. This usually involves launching a projectile, like a pea, that travels towards the zombie. Each zombie will have a health value, and once it drops to 0, the zombie sprite will disappear, simulating its defeat. Finally, let's talk about winning and losing, and how to polish our game. A clear game over state is crucial, typically when a zombie reaches the far left of the screen. You might also include a winning condition, like surviving for 3 minutes or defeating a special boss zombie. Don't forget to add fun sound effects and simple animations to make your game feel more alive. For extra challenge, consider introducing new plant types and unique zombie abilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.